If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. You can also show or hide layers or layer groups in a layered image file. To change the visibility of a layer or layer group, click the eye icon that appears at the left end of the layer or layer group to toggle its visibility on or off. Alternatively, if you only want to view a single selected layer, you can hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and then click the eye icon of the layer or layer group to view. All the other layers will have their visibility turned off. This can be helpful when you want to concentrate on working with a specific layer's content without the distraction of the content on the other layers. To make the hidden layers visible again, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and then click the same eye icon again. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.